from, of course, our favorite place, City Threads. And I'm super excited to show you. Mail day. So hold on tight and I'll open it up. Okay, so first we'll start with Tegan's outfit. It is this gorgeous royal blue color and then matching pants, white shorts to go with it. And then the girls got some tank dresses. Super soft and lightweight. They're gonna love that. And then also, if your girls are anything like mine, they love to twirl. These twirl dresses are like 3 layered ruffles. And look at the detail on them. They are so cute. And then on top of that, you can get like little matching bloomers to go underneath their dresses, so when they're twirling, everything is covered. Y'all, City Threads is where you need to find your clothes. So cute, so comfy, kid approved, mom approved. Everyone loves them.